In this video, I will show you how to change your road direction in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So before we continue, it is important to note that when you are creating a one-way road, the direction that traffic will flow down is initially decided by the direction of the streets it starts from and ends at. So this is very different to the original City Skylines, where one-way roads could be flipped to travel in the opposite direction they were initially created at by clicking the replacement tool twice. In City Skylines 2, however, the process is slightly different. So to actually go ahead and change a one-way roads direction in City Skylines 2, what you're going to want to do first is open up the Roads tab, select the replacement tool and the one-way road type you want to use, and then click and hold on the road in your city. Whilst holding the road, move your cursor in the direction that you want traffic to move. So you can tell which direction traffic will move by looking at the arrows on the stretch of road. As you move your cursor, you can watch the arrows change direction to confirm you have positioned the road the way you want it. If you have missed a section of the road or the direction of the road does not connect properly to its start or end points, a pop-up will warn of the mistake. But that is basically all you need to do to change road directions in Cities Skylines 2. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.